Outgoing there is 323215 with the service to Redditch from Four Oaks. So, hello viewers and welcome to the latest video from B-Tucker Videos, and today I am at Barnt Green, which is on the cross city line, and also which is at the final point where the cross city line joins up with a cross country route just down there. And so today here at Barnt Green we'll be seeing services from West Midlands Railway and cross country. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Let's get started here at Barnt Green. Right, coming in now is the 0923 service to Lichfield Trent Valley from Redditch, which is 323230. That's on the service to Lichfield Trent Valley. Right, heading out now is 323230. No, it's 220. 323220, sorry, on the 0923 service to Lichfield Trent Valley, which is from Redditch by West Midlands Railway. Heading over there, joining with the joint set of tracks from there with the cross country route. Next stop would be Longbridge. Right, coming through now we've got a passing service from York to Exeter St David's. That's definitely a 221 supervisor. I think it maybe 221, possibly 126, but I'm not completely sure about that. There it is, thundering through down to Exeter St David's. Right, coming down the line there is the 0930 service to Redditch, which I think is from Lichfield Trent Valley. So I'll see it when it comes a bit closer and catch the numbers for it too. And here it is once it's got quite a bit closer, and it's 323240. So 323240 heading to Redditch. There's a passing cross country service on platform 1 as well. So, which is an Italian Express. Which is originating at Cardiff Central and off to Nottingham, which then going back to Birmingham New Street, then back to Nottingham. I think this will form my service back to Newport later. Which is 17518, which I'm pretty sure would be my train back to Newport later. I think it's 4:30 or just after from University. Right, coming past now is a service from Exeter St David's to Glasgow Central. And I'm pretty sure that's 220029. Yeah, 220029 heading to Glasgow Central from Exeter St David's, passing through Barnt Green. Right, coming in now is the 0943 service to Four Oaks from Redditch, which should be 323215 coming back. Yes, it is. 323215 heading off to Four Oaks from Redditch. Right, heading off now is 323215, heading off to Forex from Redditch. Right, the next train on here on platform 2 is a pass heading to Cardiff Central from Nottingham. And that's one with 170, 110. 170, 110 is on Nottingham to Cardiff Central, passing Barnt Green. Right, coming through now is a West Midlands Railways pass to Birmingham New Street from Hereford. That's 175.11 and 175.02. And coming in here is a class 323. It's 323.214, and that's heading to Redditch, I think from Lichfield City this time. And very quickly heading out again is 323.214, heading to Redditch on the 0950 service, which originated from Lichfield City. Heading roundward bend to Alverchurch, followed by Redditch. Right, passing through now is a service from Manchester Piccadilly to Bristol Temple Meads. That's 220.032. 220.032 heading to Bristol Temple Meads from Manchester Piccadilly. Next stop would be Cheltenham Spa, followed by Bristol Parkway and Bristol Temple Meads. Right, passing through platform 1 is a service from Bristol Temple Meads to Manchester Piccadilly. .018 I think it is, and also coming through is a West Midlands Railway service to Hereford from Birmingham New Street. Which is 176.32. 176.32 heading to Hereford from Birmingham New Street. And we also saw the pass from Bristol Temple Meads to Manchester Piccadilly as well. Right, making its departures 323.240, heading on the 1007 to Lichfield City. That's 323.240, which arrived in while I was just over there filming with passing services. The one to Manchester and the one to Hereford. This 323.240 came in while I was filming them, but now it's just departed for Lichfield City. And coming in now is a 1010 service to Redditch from, I believe, Forex, which is 323, I think 211. Yes, it is 323.211. Departing out here's 323 to 11, heading off to Redditch from Four Oaks. The 10:10 departure. Next stop, Alverchurch, followed by Redditch. Right, coming through now is a service from Worcester Shrub Hill, heading to Birmingham New Street, which is formed of a 172. (172) 340, heading to Birmingham New Street from Worcester Shrub Hill. Right, sorry for blowness, but coming in now is the 10:23 service to Lichfield Trent Valley from Redditch, which is 323 214. Well, slightly blurry, but not too much. You can still make out what's happening. But 323 214 heading to Lichfield Trent Valley from Redditch. Right, departing out now is 323 214 heading to Lichfield Trent Valley on the 10:23 service. I believe that's 220.023, and that's on the service to Exeter St David's from Newcastle by cross country. And the next service is also a cross country pass, so let's catch that too. And here it comes, it's a service from Cardiff Central to Nottingham. Which is formed of 170 115. That's heading to Nottingham from Cardiff Central. Right, coming in now is the final train of this video, and it's a service to Redditch. Where is it? It's from Lichfield Trent Valley, formed of 323 209, which is on the 10:30 service. So as this one comes in, I'd like to thank you guys for watching my video from Barnt Green. If you have liked what's seen here, then please do like and subscribe. Please leave any comments as usual. Any recommendations and requests, please do let me know, and I'll try and sort something out. I think Barnt Green's been a fantastic station to film at. Lots of great passes from platforms 1 and 2 over there. Well, only 323s on here on platforms 3 and 4, heading to and from Redditch, up to Four Oaks and Lichfield. So not too much variety over on this side. I think my next station, well, my next video will be up in a couple of days, so please do check that out when it is up. And well, thank you guys for watching my video from Barnt Green. See you in my next video. Cheerio.